Sat Shri Akal and hi there. My name is Gurjeet and I've been addressing few of the FAQs and which I'm receiving a lot of messages, emails, and as you know, due to coronavirus, my 60% staff is working, but 40% are unable to do the job from home due to XYZ reasons. So let me start with the FAQs on Canada. Now I will divide this video into two parts. So that first part is for the students who already got the visa or the decision has been made, a visa or a refusal. And this video is quite helpful for the others also who are writing me, who have applied through some other agents. And the second part will be for the students who are applied the visa but have not received any decision. The first part is they received the decision. So now let me start with it. So first part will be the student who have received the decision. The May session is going to be start as per the schedule in end of the May in majority of the colleges and universities. So the May session is going to be begin as scheduled, but in the end of the last week, maybe the last 1 or 2 weeks, like starting from 19th May till 31st May. So I would advise all the students who are there in Canada, please make sure that you should be there, reach to your college and do the enrollment. The second thing is about the student permit. As per the Canadian law or by the ICACR guidelines, the student work permit will be given till May 25th till 3 p.m. This is Canadian time. 25th May, 3 p.m. Canadian time. After that, there will be no student work permit will be given. It means you cannot study as well. Third point, refunds. Now let's say you got a negative decision. My first advice is please hold down. Due to current scenario, the rates are fluctuating every day. You may get a lot of losses. Your money is secure. Don't worry on that. The time it is taking is around, normally the different providers have around timeline is around 60 to 90 working days. But the mails what we are receiving from the universities and colleges, they have promised us that the money, if we put across today, you will receive your money back by end of May. So that's a point number 3. I have talked about refunds, I talked about study permit, and I talked about session, when the sessions are going to start. Student cannot take online classes from India. Let's say you got a visa. Can you take online classes? No. Because to have the online classes from India, as per the Canada rule, you need to have a valid study permit to work further for PSW. So, which is not there as per the colleges. This is the information, whatever I'm sharing is I have received from the colleges and I'm reading it and talking to you on those behalf. This is the accurate information given by the colleges itself. If we talk about, if you got a visa grant after March 18, I'll just repeat it again. If you have received a visa grant after March 18, 2020, you cannot enter into Canada. Right now, you have to defer for the next session. Now, I hope I have addressed all the questions. I've noted down and tried to talk about all the questions for the students who are already there in Canada, who on the study permit, on the refunds, the students who got a visa refusals. I talked about the students who have received the visa after and before 18th March. I've talked about I tried to cover almost all the topics. Now let me talk about visa results are pending. Let's just you have paid the fees, you applied the visa, but there's no status. Now what should you do? in these circumstances, you will automatically will get a defer for the next session, but you need to write an email to the college for that same. You will get a defer, there's no doubt about it, but you need to write an email where you need to give a proper details, or your agent has to do that. You have to talk to your agents. Let's say if you are my student, then you have to let me know. We are doing it ourselves also, but still we need your confirmation letter. Point second, student who has paid 2 semester fees. I would say the student who has paid 1 year complete fees is given a priority for the next session, 2020 December, and for the January 2021. In case something worst happen, as you know, we never knew when this lockdowns are going to open, these students will be given a preference. And the students who have paid only for a semester, they might been asked to pay also in end of October to transfer to get the priority in January. So this is the information which I'm talking about it as per the written emails from the different colleges, government colleges, universities. I have clubbed the information and try to give it to you as much as possible. So if somebody is asking, is the visas are coming? Right now, no visas are coming. Yes, but you need to book your seats. Somebody is also asking me, is the offer letters are coming? Yes, offer letters are there. You can open up your GIC account. You can apply for, if you're going in Quebec, you can apply for your CAQ. You can, it's a good time. Dollar rate are down. In case you are very sure about everything and talk to your parents, you can even pay your fees as well. Take those advantages. Up to you. No suggestion or I'm not guiding you. I'd say up to you. It's your call. But universities and colleges are accepting that. They have also, let's say lockdown opens up. There's a one FAQ more. I have just noticed. If the lockdown opens up and university say you can come down, airlines are working and everything, and you defer it, your parents doesn't allow you, or you made your change of mind. So there is admission fees, and as per the policy, money will be deducted and the rest money will be given back. You will not get 100% refund. Now let's say you write down that, oh, I have planned for May, I have planned for this session, but unfortunately I cannot go, I should claim 100% money. That's not going to be possible. If the lockdowns open up, you will be, some deductions will be made on your fees. So a lot of students are asking me, is Sophiya getting offer letters for the colleges? Yes, very fast. Colleges are working from the home. College representatives are working overnight, and you can always apply for the offer letters. You can also open up your GIC. You can always, depending on you want to. You can also apply for your CAQs. You can also apply for your, in case if you're going in British Columbia and Ontario or Alberta, you can also pay your fees in case if you have got the offer letters. You wanted to know more about it? We are conducting webinars on different what are the advantages of those states. Links will be given in this video. You can talk to us on those specific days and we can address those queries. And thank you so much, and I hope I have tried to give answers on all your FAQs on Canada presently. Take care.